Can I see? Is he nice? Is he nice? Oh yeah, he's so cute. Is that a daddy moment? Try it. Ew. I think it's a mosquito. A mosquito. Is that a mosquito? Uh-huh. There's a bumblebee. Bumblebee? Where is the bumblebee? The red ant. A red ant. Ew, a red fire ant. Let me see. It's a red fire ant. That scares me. It creases my eyes. Ew, are you ready to try the beetle? The beetle? What the? It's not real.
It's not. I don't think it's real. No. Daddy says it's a picture. I think he's right.
Ah, who's ready for this bag? Nice. Boogie bug. Boogie bug. That sounds funny. I'm going to look at the bumblebee. You try first. Ah! That hurts my eye. You tried it. It's gonna sting you.
Ew.
That's gonna hurt my eyes. Hey, I want to do it again.
They're looking at bugs in the microscope. Did it turn off, honey?
Yeah.
Press the on-off button, which is... Let me look. Yeah, that's the button. What's going on? Hey, there it goes.
Who is ready for this bug? Oh. I need to go pee. Ew. I don't know.
I love you, a bushel and a peck.